Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to red color PNG icon in Adobe Photoshop. So get let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. In this video I will show. Now you can see then I show the open the Adobe Photoshop document. Now we can see open the PNG icon option. Now we find our PNG icon. Now select from icon and click for open option. Now I can see then show the open PNG icon. Now then change the red color icon. Now select from control and layer from click. Now click from color hint option. Now we choose from red color. Now click for OK. Now keyboard press from Alt backspace. That is. Now you can see. Then I show red color in PNG icon in Adobe Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.